Jackie Chan's car collection isn't just about horsepower, it's a dazzling display of style and performance fit for a martial arts master. From sleek supercars that mirror his agility to rugged off-roaders ready for any stunt, Chan's garage is a testament to his diverse tastes and adventurous spirit. Buckle up for a thrilling ride through the world of Jackie Chan's iconic cars. Number 10. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolutions. Kicking off with the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X, a car that embodies Jackie's love for precision and speed. This isn't just any sedan, it's a rally-inspired powerhouse with all-wheel drive and turbocharged performance that could outmaneuver even the trickiest villains. Step inside because Jackie wouldn't settle for anything less than comfortable.
I know that.
And you're greeted by sporty seats and a cockpit designed for driver control. The Evolution X accelerates faster than you can say action and hugs corners like a kung fu master in combat. Driving an Evo X isn't just transportation, it's a nod to Jackie's passion for pushing boundaries on and off screen. Number 9. Porsche 911 Turbo. Next up, the Porsche 911 Turbo, because Jackie Chan knows that legends never go out of style. This isn't your average sports car, it's a German-engineered marvel that blends luxury with performance like a perfectly choreographed fight scene. With over 600 horsepower from its rear-mounted flat-six engine, the 911 Turbo accelerates faster than you can shout drift. Step inside the driver-focused cockpit because Jackie demands the best, and you're enveloped by leather, high-tech gadgets and that iconic Porsche design. Driving a 911 Turbo isn't just thrilling, it's a tribute to Jackie's enduring love affair with speed and elegance. Number 8. Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. Hold on to your hats because here comes the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution, a rugged off-roader that's as tough as Jackie himself. This isn't just a SUV, it's a Dakar rally champion modified for the toughest terrains. With all-wheel drive and a robust chassis, the Pajero Evolution conquers landscapes faster than you can say roll camera.
That's impressive. That's really good. I mean, I'm very impressed by that.
Step inside the spacious cabin because Jackie needs room for his stunt gear, and you're greeted by durable materials and adventure-ready features. Driving a Pajero Evolution isn't just off-roading, it's an adrenaline-fueled journey through the wild, where every obstacle becomes a stunt waiting to happen. Number 7. Bentley Mulsanne. Now, onto the Bentley Mulsanne, because Jackie Chan appreciates luxury that's as timeless as his cinematic legacy. This isn't just a car, it's a British masterpiece with handcrafted details and a powerful V8 engine that purrs like a contented dragon. Step inside the opulent cabin because Jackie enjoys the finer things in life, and you're surrounded by leather, wood veneers, and advanced technology fit for a celebrity.
Okay, I'm jealous.
The Mulsanne accelerates smoothly and handles with grace, making every drive a regal experience worthy of a martial arts superstar. Driving a Bentley Mulsanne isn't just transportation, it's a statement of success and style that Jackie wears like a tailored suit. Number 6. Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. Hold on to your stunt harness because here comes the Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4, a 90s icon that blends performance with Jackie's penchant for a bit of flair. This isn't just a sports coupe, it's a technological marvel with all-wheel drive and twin-turbo power that accelerates faster than a flying kick. Step inside the cockpit because Jackie appreciates cockpit ergonomics, and you're greeted by a driver-focused interior with gadgets that were ahead of their time. The 3000 GT VR4 hugs corners like a partner in a dance scene, making each maneuver feel like a choreographed stunt sequence.
Wow.
Driving a 3000 GT VR4 isn't just nostalgic, it's a reminder of Jackie's passion for pushing limits both on and off the screen. Number 5. Nissan GTR. At number 5, we have the Nissan GTR because Jackie Chan understands the allure of Japanese engineering and Godzilla-like power. This isn't your average supercar, it's a high-tech beast with all-wheel drive and a twin-turbo V6 engine that roars louder than any kung fu battle cry. Step inside the driver-centric cockpit because Jackie values precision, and you're surrounded by high-performance materials and digital displays fit for a modern action hero. The GTR accelerates with ferocity and handles corners like a martial arts master, making each drive an adrenaline-pumping experience worthy of Jackie's daredevil reputation. Driving a GTR isn't just thrilling, it's a salute to Jackie's global impact and his love for cars that match his dynamic persona. Number 4. Ferrari 550 Maranello. Now let's rev things up with the Ferrari 550 Maranello, a grand tourer that embodies Jackie's appreciation for Italian craftsmanship and speed. This isn't just a car, it's a symphony of V12 power and classic design that turns heads faster than a Jackie Chan spin kick. Step inside the luxurious cabin because Jackie enjoys comfort with his speed, and you're greeted by leather, polished metals, and that iconic Ferrari badge. The 550 Maranello accelerates smoothly and cruises with elegance, making every journey a blend of performance and sophistication worthy of a Hollywood legend. Driving a Ferrari 550 Maranello isn't just about speed, it's about savoring the road like a fine wine, with Jackie Chan's charisma behind the wheel. Number 3. Ford Mustang GT. Hold on to your stunt helmet because here comes the Ford Mustang GT, a muscle car that resonates with Jackie's love for American horsepower and iconic design. This isn't just any pony car, it's a symbol of freedom and raw power that accelerates faster than Jackie's rapid-fire punches. Step inside the driver-focused cockpit because Jackie prefers control, and you're greeted by a blend of heritage-inspired design and modern amenities. The Mustang GT roars with a V8 soundtrack that echoes Jackie's intensity, making each drive a celebration of muscle and nostalgia. Driving a Mustang GT isn't just about the destination, it's about embracing the journey with Jackie Chan's adventurous spirit leading the way. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Next in our lineup is the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, because Jackie Chan knows that sometimes luxury and comfort are the ultimate action heroes. This isn't just a sedan, it's a flagship of German engineering with a blend of performance and sophistication that matches Jackie's global stature. Step inside the spacious and tech-laden cabin because Jackie appreciates innovation, and you're surrounded by leather, ambient lighting, and cutting-edge technology that anticipates your every move. The S-Class glides over roads with effortless grace and accelerates with the authority of a martial arts master, making every journey a VIP experience worthy of Jackie's cinematic legacy. Driving a Mercedes-Benz S-Class isn't just transportation, it's a tribute to Jackie's journey from martial arts icon to international superstar. Number 1. Porsche Carrera GT. And finally, at the top spot, we have the Porsche Carrera GT, because when you're Jackie Chan, nothing less than a precision-crafted supercar will do. This isn't just a car, it's a symphony of engineering and performance that captures Jackie's love for speed and style. With a mid-mounted V10 engine that sings like a dragon unleashed, the Carrera GT accelerates faster than a Jackie Chan jump kick. Step inside the driver-centric cockpit because Jackie demands connection, and you're enveloped by carbon fiber Alcantara and driver-focused design elements. The Carrera GT handles corners with precision and accelerates with ferocity, making every drive a thrilling experience worthy of Jackie's legendary status. It's the kind of car that makes you feel like you've strapped on Jackie Chan's stunt harness and embarked on an adventure through the streets of adrenaline and cinematic greatness. As we conclude our tour through Jackie Chan's legendary car collection, which of these automotive marvels would you park in your dream garage? Comment below with your favorite. Subscribe for more thrilling stories of celebrity car collections, and hit that like button faster than Jackie Chan delivers a roundhouse kick.